G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A Goldilocks week ahead for most of Queensland. Not too cold, not too warm and mostly sunny, except of course for the wet tropics, which always gets annoying showers in a southeast wind. It's been a comfortable day all round, with top temperatures sitting near average in the low 20s for most stations across the Wide Bay of Burnett. Minimum temps were reasonably high for a winter's morning, except a long way inland. On the satellite loop, two types of clouds today. Some harmless high cloud that's been streaming across southern and central Queensland. In the next 24 hours, it should basically evaporate. There won't be much left of that. Along the coast, we're starting to get some light showers just around the coastal fringe, mainly islands today like Gari, Stradbroke, Moreton, and also around the Whitsundays. Brampton had some quite heavy showers this morning, and of course the Cassowary Coast, where you can see the clouds a bit more clearly. On today's chart, you can see that the main high that's been dominating for a little while is now moving off the chart, and we don't see that anymore. What we now have is a new trough moving across central Australia, ahead of which the winds are dropping off. On tomorrow's chart, ahead of that trough, the winds will get quite light around this bubble high, and the next high will eventually introduce a southerly change on Wednesday. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, south to southeast winds just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, a little bit more southwesterly in it for Wednesday, and then back to south-southeast on Thursday, 10 to 15. Gari offshore waters, southeasterlies 15 to 20 knots all day tomorrow, but seas under a metre. On Wednesday, a bit more southerly, and then Thursday back to southeasterly. Low tide first up tomorrow, followed by high tide in the afternoon. It's only a very gentle swing, given we're right on last quarter moon, so no extremes. The Wide Bay Burnett district, some inland fog, and then a mostly sunny day, just a slight chance of a shower on Gari. Bundaberg 12 up to 23 degrees, Gayndah also 23, Hervey Bay 22, Maryborough again 23. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, a week of very pleasant weather to be enjoyed, with mild temperatures and virtually no risk of rain until Sunday at the earliest. There may be some fog over the next 2 mornings. Well, if you think it's been chilly so far this winter, here's some world trivia to give you a better rounded perspective. The average winter temperature in northeastern Siberia is about 45 below freezing. That's by no means a cold snap, just a typical night under the stars. Indigenous Siberians say if you spit on the ground when the temp's below -50, it crackles before impact. But even -50 would be a balmy day at Vostok Station in central Antarctica, which holds the world record of -89 degrees. And there was a 10-knot breeze blowing at the time, just to put the icing on the cake. Have a good one, and now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Eve. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. And nice having your company, folks. A reminder, you can catch anything you would like to watch again on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.